Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and Cozy 4 Decor has made the most incredible looking succulent pillow.
This is vibrant and velvety soft. It is such a unique little pillow. I got mine in the beige color, and I love that it is this perfect neutral, so it can really go anywhere. It is so perfectly adorable. It looks exactly like one of those hens and chicks succulents. I love that every single leaf is individual and you can fluff them up as much as you want. This back is extra squishy and soft, so it makes the perfect accent pillow, but it is actually super comfortable to snuggle up with as well. I love bringing it into my bedroom and using it with my Kindle. It is about 15 by 15, so it is just the perfect size to throw with a bunch of other throw pillows or make it its own accent focal piece. It is so beautiful. I am obsessed with it.
So grab this succulent pillow and add a little bit of whimsy to your home decor. I think you are going to love it. And that's my point of view.